You don't have to waste hours on manual video creation anymore. In this video, I'll show you how to start a faceless YouTube channel with these AI video generators. Yes, these AI video generators will create faceless videos without wasting time. So, you can now start your faceless YouTube channel. Once again, welcome to Ray Creators Lab, where we discuss everything relating to AI and online tools. Please subscribe to my channel if you have not done that already. Also, like and share this video and remember to turn on the notification button. Here are 6 AI tools to create viral videos easily in minutes. Let's get right to it. The first AI video generator that will enable you to start your faceless YouTube channel is Submagic. You can use this tool to make your viral short videos more captivating with captions, B-rolls, zooms, and sound effects in just 3 minutes.
Me and my therapist talk about like my higher goddess, my higher self. Like I always want to live there, knowing that, you know, when I'm there, you can't take that away from me. That's mine. And no matter what, you can disagree with me, you can agree with me. That's not going, I'm not changing, I'm not shifting. I'm here, I'm in my higher goddess. So I always live by like holding my happiness and not letting anyone else.
The second tool that will help you start your YouTube channel is Heygen. With Heygen, you can create video marketing assets in minutes by using your realistic AI video avatars.
Introducing Heygen 5.0, your one-stop AI video generation platform. Need to create product demos, educational videos, marketing ads, and other exciting content? Now you can with Heygen. Heygen 5.0 includes a brand new product interface. Now everyone can easily access our latest products. A new AI studio, streaming avatar, personalized video, and video translation. Let's dive in. Bring your videos to life in our AI studio. In the new studio, our script interface has moved to the left panel, and the timeline now supports multi-track elements, making it more convenient to create and edit videos. Using our streaming avatar product to create real-time interactions in live chats or live streams with your audience.
I am a demo streaming avatar designed to assist with any questions you might have.
In personalized videos, you can select one template to upload your audience list and video onto Heygen. In just a few clicks, this product helps you create and send personalized videos in bulk. And last but not least, video translation allows you to translate your videos into multiple languages while maintaining your original voice and natural lip movements. It's never been easier to go global. This is Heygen 5.0, your one-stop platform for all your video generation needs. Welcome to the future of video creation.
The next AI video generator is VSub. Create faceless videos in seconds with AI. Next is OSSA AI. With OSSA AI, you can create AI-powered short animated videos easily.
Here's how you can become a short-form content creator in 2024 in 60 seconds or less with AI. First, head over to ChatGPT and use this GPT to create an engaging short-form script. Then, take that generated script and paste it into OSSA AI. OSSA AI is the #1 platform for short-form content creators in 2024. OSSA AI will generate your entire video in 5 to 10 minutes. The best part is that you don't have to edit the video. It's ready to upload right after it's done generating. It's truly never been easier to create short-form content. Comment guide and I'll send you the step-by-step process on how you can become a short-form content creator with AI.
Content creator who wants to boost their income. Start using OSSA AI now, and let me know what you think about this AI tool in the comments section.
Now let's see Invideo AI. Type any topic and Invideo AI creates a video with script, visuals, subtitles, voiceover, and music. Descript is the last tool I want to show you in this video. Descript AI is an all-in-one audio and video editing tool that simplifies content creation with innovative features. It stands out for its text-based editing, allowing users to edit audio and video simply by editing a transcript. This makes it incredibly user-friendly, even for beginners. In my previous videos, I have discussed other AI video generators that can help you start your Faceless YouTube channel. You should check them out. Now, if you've not subscribed to my channel, kindly hit that subscribe button. Like and share this video, and also let me know what you think about these AI video generators in the comment section.